Resignation, if someone want to exit UAE, then 14 days. If someone want to change to other company, 30 days. And these rules, 14 days, 30 days, and even for termination by the company, it's 14 days notice period. Someone say that in the labor contract, it is 60 days notice period or 90 days also notice period, because up to 3 months notice period is possible. It's up to the company as per the labor contract. Whatever included in the labor contract signed by the both parties and approved by the ministry, that is the final. So that will not be applicable here. Let's say in the labor contract, if it is 60 days notice period is mentioned, that is after the probation. Let me clarify you guys. We are talking now during probation. Before end of probation, if someone is resigning and their last working day is falling before the end of probation period, then this rule will be applied. Resignation by employee, 14 days notice period only if someone want to exit UAE, and 30 days is mandatory, minimum 30 days, guys, minimum 30 days if changing to another company. Yes, if we have alternate option also in termination and as well as in resignation. If someone doesn't want to serve the notice period, a company doesn't want to let employee to serve notice period, then they can pay the notice period allowance, compensation kind of thing. Or whatever, if someone has worked only for 14 days, but he don't want to work further, he's ready to pay. The 16 days prorated basis payment, he has to pay the notice pay. He has to pay. Unless company agrees or company forgive, okay, Baba, not required. So now, someone may ask that, okay, sir, employee has served 14 days notice period, but he has not exited the country. He is joining some other company. He resigned that he's exiting the country. He served only 14 days, but he's joining other company. If he's joining other company, then mandatory 30 days. No matter it is 14 days or 30 days. For this whole recruitment expenses, the new employer let's say this is company A and this new employer is company B. Okay. And the employee has left company A during probation, before the end of probation, and he has joined in company B. Within 3 months after exiting UAE, he's coming back and he's trying to join within 3 months from the date of exit. Okay. Within 3 months, or even if it is after serving full 30 days, he's joining from company A to company B. Then company B, that is new employer, must pay the recruitment expenses to the company A. Recruitment expenses, what are the recruitment expenses, including your joining ticket, labor contract, visa, Emirates ID, medical, all the government fees falls under recruitment expenses. You must have a proper receipts and bills with a breakdown of the expenses and final total. So that new employer, company B, has to pay back to company A the recruitment expenses. So answering to your query, Arya or Sirisha, that a company can charge recruitment expenses if someone is resigning before probation period. No, a company cannot charge directly to the employee. It is a violation of Article 6, clause number 4, that you are prohibited, employer is prohibited to charge any recruitment fees directly or indirectly, correct? It is very clearly mentioned. So you cannot charge to the employee. You can charge to the new employer. Clear? Any questions?
Yeah, one doubt, sir. So the company should have all the proof of this recruitment expense, is it?
Company must have all the proof of recruitment expenses, including the bills, invoices, whatever, along with the breakdown of that, along with the breakdown.
Okay.
Any other doubt here?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Neha.
Sir, if company A is charging recruitment expenses to company B, and if company B will refuse, then
Company B cannot refuse. It is a law. That is a law. Company has no option to refuse.